In this video, we will be discussing the preparation of bank reconciliation statement when the passbook balance is given. We had already discussed the preparation of BRS when the cash book balance is given. Okay, it is the same thing. Okay, when cash book is given and passbook is given, we try to reconcile them and identify those entries which are recorded in one book but it is not recorded in one book. Like here, check deposited, okay, of Sharma 5,000, it is not recorded in passbook. Similarly, check issued to Reena is not recorded in passbook. In the same manner, there are few entries like bank charges, interest collected, LIC premium are recorded in passbook but not recorded in cash book. Okay, so these entries result in the are the reasons due to which there is a difference in the cash book balance and the passbook balance. Now, if we discuss all the reasons, it is like check issued not yet presented for payment, it is recorded in cash book but not in passbook. Similarly, check deposited into bank but not yet cleared. These two entries are recorded in cash book but not in passbook. Similarly, transactions recorded in passbook not in cash book. Interest allowed by bank or interest charged by bank, bank charges, interest or dividend collected by bank on behalf of the customer, direct payment by bank, direct deposit by a customer, dishonor of bills discounted, and bills collected by the bank on behalf of the customers. These entries are recorded in passbook but not in cash book, and due to these entries there is a difference in the cash book and passbook balance. Now, when passbook balance is given, how to prepare BRS? If passbook's credit balance is given, that means a favorable balance, we will write it in the plus column. And if overdraft is given or debit balance is given, we will write it in the minus column. And since we have to find out the cash book balance, all the adjustments will be done according to the cash book. If an entry is added in the cash book, in the BRS we will add it, and if in the cash book it is deducted, payment is done, we will write in the minus column. Similarly, passbook's entries we have to nullify. Okay, so if any transaction is credited in the passbook, that will be deducted. Okay, in the same manner, if any debit is there, withdrawal is there in the passbook, we will write it in the plus column. Let's solve that question. We had already identified the entries which was in the cash book but not in the passbook, and the other way. So this is the BRS. As per that, passbook balance was credit and it was 19,300. There was one check which was issued but not presented. It was entered in the cash book but not in the passbook. So issued minus. Check deposited, it was added in the cash book, so here also we will add it. Now these are the three entries which is in the passbook, like bank charges, it was deducted there, so here we will add it. Interest collected not recorded in the cash book, minus, okay, because there it was added. Insurance premium paid was deducted, debited, so here we will add. Now when we find the difference, balance as per cash book is 22,000 rupees. Okay. There are a few other methods also, you can do that also, and regarding doubt you can call me.